Y'all, it was an exciting day. I spent most of my day on here earlier. And I thought, you know what? I haven't eaten since like 8 o'clock this morning. Maybe I should do that. So Piggy over here already had her drumstick. Now it's Mama's turn. How you guys doing? I hope, did I do? No, I still didn't do it right. Oh, well, sorry. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. I was trying to see if they would sell me a cup of cheese. But she said she wouldn't. And I'm like, oh, how rude. Nasty Pepsi. Sorry, Robert. Pepsi does not really make me burp. And I know how much you love that. Sit down. Where are you going? You got something to do? I didn't think so. Yum. Mmm. Oh well. I gotta make sure I put cheese on my shopping list. It's been at least 2 weeks since I've had KFC. You know how I love my chicken. Every day. Come hell or high water, I could eat me some chicken. I did my, 4-hour, live earlier about prosperity. Well, rich is not money. Being rich is not having, oh, I forgot I unplugged it. Not having to have money. Money isn't rich. Rich is up here, Just like the poor kids in poor neighborhoods. They never know what they're missing, so how do they know what rich is? Until you go outside the boundaries and then you see how other people live. And you say, oh, I want to be rich. I want to have money. I want to have things. So, I was telling them earlier, rich to me is the, $110 webcam that somebody bought for me. That makes me feel rich. I have to boycott them after a while. Yeah, not. For having such a limited amount of fountain drinks. I really am waiting really bad to dip it in cheese. I think to me that's going to be better than a lobster, whatever, boil thing. I've had lobster before. Love that honey, honey. It's really interesting how many people think, oh, if I had money, that's going to make me more happy. No. Who was it? More money, more problems? Well, if you're not a good money manager, and if you win the lottery and fuck up all your money, or you don't get the money manager first, don't pay taxes, don't pay this, don't pay that. Trying to make everybody happy, have all these parties and shit. Then at the end of the month, you're like, where'd all my money go? Mm-hmm. So I'm just happy to have a brand new webcam. And she's charging. And Tasty Mukbang, I owe this to you. Because I saw the one you said you got. And this one was right below it. $10 more for remote and the microphone. Mm-hmm. And they get dessert too. I ate dinner, not on camera. Lately, I've been watching a lot of Stephanie Sue and all her adventures. SOO. Her and her fiance are moving, and they're so cute. It's really interesting to see how other people live, you know? It is, it is. Make sure I still got her going. Yes, I do, Mama Goonie. You still going, girl. I'm on number 2 out of 65. She's so cute. Big ass dog in an apartment. I just will never understand it. Well, don't get me wrong, I want a German Shepherd too, but it's just like kids. I'm sorry, I'm not having no kids in an apartment. I mean, if you get pregnant while you're in the apartment, yeah. You're in an apartment, go in the house. Something. That dog was big, you guys. I know, let me mind my own business. So pretty. Yeah, I know, every day's pretty, but it is. Every day's beautiful. Perfect weather. I need to be out on my balcony staining my boxes. They're so beautiful. So I do also with, I work with a lot of crystals, of course. By now you could know that. And I'm going to be making crystal kits, boxes full of crystals. Because that's what I do. Talk about comfort food. And again, the only thing missing is a nice real collard greens, some kidney beans, cornbread from Marie Callender's. Okay, it tastes like cake. So, Tasty Mukbang Eats offered a 7-day chicken challenge. Honey, please, that's a treat for me. That's like throwing the rabbit into the briar patch. I wish they offered just a box full of drumsticks. Yeah, I know. I can buy for $1.99 each. Dang it, forgot my hot sauce. Oh well. Cheese and hot sauce next video. Oh, it's so good. Now, I can get to work on those 2 obsidian pendants. It's a dragon. You gotta come over to Facebook or Instagram so you can see it better. Well, that was just right. And remember there? We can't make other people's ideas our ideas. Keeping up with the Joneses, I doubt did anybody any good. You know? Just keep your ass in debt. Perfect. Mama Goonie, I didn't know you smoked. Who does that? Oh, RDR food reviews. Refreshing. And then now I notice other people doing that too. No, I'm not going to do that all the time. That quick little moment right there reminded me of him. Thank you for having dinner with me. I appreciate you. And one of these days, I'm going to remember that the camera holds on that side. Okay, guys, go have a great day. And don't forget to love you first. Bye, 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 bye. Mwah.